Nintex RPA Online Training. Introduction to Nintex RPA. Nintex RPA, Robotic Process Automation, is a software platform designed to automate repetitive, manual tasks across various systems and applications. It allows organizations to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and reduce the potential for human error by automating tasks that would otherwise require manual intervention. Key features of Nintex RPA. Drag-and-drop interface. Nintex RPA provides a user-friendly, no-code interface that allows business users and IT professionals to design automation workflows without extensive programming knowledge. Bot management. It enables the creation and management of software bots that can perform tasks such as data entry, form processing, and interaction with multiple applications simultaneously. Integration capabilities. Nintex RPA can integrate with various applications, including web apps, desktop software, and cloud services, enabling seamless data exchange and workflow automation across different platforms. Process recording and playback. Users can record their actions as they perform tasks on their computer, and Nintex RPA can replicate these actions to automate the process. Scheduling and monitoring. The platform offers tools to schedule automated tasks and monitor their execution in real time, ensuring that workflows are completed as planned. Scalability. Nintex RPA is designed to scale with the needs of the organization, allowing businesses to automate processes across multiple departments and systems as they grow. Security and compliance. The platform includes features to ensure that automated processes adhere to security standards and compliance requirements, protecting sensitive data and maintaining regulatory compliance. Common use cases. Data entry and migration, automating the transfer of data between systems, reducing manual input errors. Customer support automation, handling routine inquiries and tasks like ticket logging and basic troubleshooting. Invoice processing, streamlining accounts payable processes by automating the extraction and processing of invoice data. Human resources, automating repetitive HR tasks such as onboarding, payroll processing, and benefits administration. Benefits of Nintex RPA. Efficiency reduces the time spent on manual, repetitive tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic activities. Accuracy minimizes the risk of human error in data processing and task execution. Cost savings. By automating tasks, organizations can reduce labor costs and operational expenses. Agility allows businesses to quickly adapt and respond to changing needs by modifying automation workflows as required. Nintex RPA is part of the broader Nintex Process Platform, which includes tools for workflow automation, process mapping, and digital forms, making it a versatile solution for organizations looking to enhance their process automation capabilities. Benefits of Nintex RPA in business automation. Nintex RPA, Robotic Process Automation, offers several benefits in business automation, helping organizations improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance accuracy. Here are some of the key advantages. Increased efficiency. Nintex RPA automates repetitive, time-consuming tasks, allowing employees to focus on higher-value activities. This boosts overall productivity by reducing the time spent on manual processes. Cost savings. By automating tasks, Nintex RPA reduces the need for manual labor, leading to significant cost savings. It also helps in minimizing errors that could result in costly rework or compliance issues. Improved accuracy. Automation with Nintex RPA eliminates human error, ensuring that processes are executed consistently and accurately. This is especially beneficial for tasks that require a high level of precision, such as data entry or compliance reporting. Scalability. Nintex RPA can easily scale to handle increased workloads without the need for additional resources. This flexibility allows businesses to grow without being constrained by operational inefficiencies. Enhanced compliance. RPA bots can be programmed to follow strict regulatory guidelines, ensuring that all processes are compliant with industry standards. This reduces the risk of non-compliance and associated penalties. Improved customer experience. By automating routine tasks, Nintex RPA enables faster and more efficient service delivery, leading to improved customer satisfaction. Automated processes can handle tasks such as order processing or customer inquiries more quickly and accurately. Streamline workflow integration. Nintex RPA integrates seamlessly with other Nintex products and existing IT systems, allowing businesses to automate workflows end-to-end. This ensures smooth operation across different departments and systems. Data-driven decision-making. Automated processes generate a wealth of data that can be analyzed to gain insights into business operations. This data can help in identifying bottlenecks, optimizing processes, and making informed decisions. Employee satisfaction. By taking over mundane tasks, Nintex RPA allows employees to focus on more meaningful and creative work. This can lead to higher job satisfaction and reduce turnover rates. Rapid deployment. Nintex RPA offers a user-friendly interface and low-code, no-code tools, enabling quick deployment of automation solutions. Businesses can start realizing the benefits of automation in a shorter time frame. Key features of Nintex RPA. Nintex RPA, Robotic Process Automation, is a powerful tool that automates repetitive tasks and processes, enabling organizations to improve efficiency, reduce errors, and lower operational costs. Here's an expanded overview of its key features. 1. Drag-and-drop Workflow Designer. Visual Workflow Automation. Nintex RPA provides a user-friendly, drag-and-drop interface that allows users to design automation workflows without needing extensive coding knowledge. This visual design approach simplifies the creation and management of RPA processes. Reusable components. Users can create and reuse workflow components, making it easier to scale automation efforts across different processes. 2. Unattended automation. 24/7 automation. Nintex RPA bots can operate without human intervention, performing tasks continuously around the clock. This is ideal for processes that require constant attention, such as data entry, report generation, and system monitoring. Error handling and notifications. The platform includes robust error handling mechanisms that can automatically retry failed tasks or send notifications to administrators if an issue arises. 3. Cross-system integration. Wide range of connectors. Nintex RPA can integrate with various systems and applications, including ERP, CRM, databases, web services, and legacy systems. This ensures that the RPA bots can interact with different platforms seamlessly. API integration. The platform supports API-based integrations, allowing it to connect with modern cloud applications and web services. 4. Bot management and orchestration. Centralized control. Nintex provides a centralized control panel for managing and monitoring all RPA bots. Administrators can schedule tasks, allocate resources, and monitor bot performance from a single interface. Scalability. The platform supports scaling automation across multiple bots and processes, ensuring that organizations can grow their automation capabilities as needed. 5. Advanced data handling. Data extraction and manipulation. Nintex RPA excels at extracting data from various sources, including structured and unstructured data formats like PDFs, emails, and spreadsheets. Bots can also perform complex data transformations and calculations. Data integration. The platform can integrate data from multiple sources into a unified format, making it easier to analyze and report on the information. 6. AI and machine learning capabilities. Intelligent automation. Nintex RPA leverages AI and machine learning to handle more complex tasks, such as document recognition, sentiment analysis, and decision-making processes. Cognitive automation. The platform can learn from historical data and user interactions to improve the accuracy and efficiency of automated processes over time. 7. Security and compliance. Role-based access control. Nintex RPA offers role-based access controls to ensure that only authorized personnel can create, modify, or execute RPA workflows. This helps maintain security and compliance with organizational policies. Audit trails. The platform automatically logs all bot activities, providing a comprehensive audit trail that can be used for compliance reporting and process optimization. 8. Robust reporting and analytics. Performance metrics. Nintex RPA includes built-in reporting tools that provide insights into bot performance, such as task completion times, error rates, and overall efficiency. Nintex RPA versus traditional automation. When comparing Nintex RPA, robotic process automation, to traditional automation, it's important to understand the key differences, advantages, and use cases for each approach. Below is an expansive comparison. 1. Definition and scope. Nintex RPA. RPA overview. Robotic process automation, RPA, uses software robots or bots to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks traditionally performed by humans. Nintex RPA is part of the broader Nintex platform, which focuses on automating business processes end-to-end. Scope. Nintex RPA excels in automating tasks that involve interacting with multiple applications, copying and pasting data, or handling structured data from legacy systems without APIs. Traditional automation. Overview. Traditional automation involves coding and scripting to automate tasks and processes within specific applications or systems. This could include automating workflows within ERP systems, writing scripts for batch processing, or configuring system-based automation rules. Scope. Traditional automation is often limited to specific environments or systems, requiring deeper technical expertise to implement and maintain. 2. Technology and approach. Nintex RPA. Low-code, no-code. Nintex RPA provides a low-code or no-code environment where users can design automation workflows through a visual interface without needing to write complex code. Integration capabilities. Nintex RPA integrates with various applications and systems, including web applications, desktop applications, and legacy systems. It interacts with interfaces like a human would, making it versatile for scenarios where APIs are unavailable. Cognitive capabilities. While Nintex RPA focuses on rule-based tasks, it can be enhanced with AI capabilities for more intelligent automation, such as OCR, optical character recognition, or machine learning integrations. Traditional automation. Code-driven. Traditional automation often requires coding skills, typically involving programming languages, scripts, or configuration files. This might involve custom scripts in Python, Java, or Bash, for example. System-centric. Traditional automation is usually designed to work within the confines of a specific application or system, such as automating tasks within a database or ERP system. It's less flexible when it comes to interacting across multiple disparate systems. Manual configuration. Traditional automation often requires manual configuration and updates, especially when there are changes to the systems or processes it automates. 3. Flexibility and usability. Nintex RPA. User-friendly. Nintex RPA is designed to be accessible to business users, not just IT professionals. Its drag-and-drop interface and pre-built components allow non-technical users to build automation workflows. Scalability. Nintex RPA can be scaled across an organization, allowing businesses to automate a wide range of tasks from simple to complex without significant reconfiguration. Traditional automation. Technical expertise required. Traditional automation often requires a deep understanding of the systems being automated and the underlying code. This can limit its usability to IT departments. Getting started with Nintex RPA. Getting started with Nintex RPA, robotic process automation, involves several steps to understand, implement, and optimize automation processes within your organization. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you expand massively. 1. Understanding Nintex RPA. What is Nintex RPA? Nintex RPA is a tool that allows organizations to automate repetitive, manual tasks across various applications and systems. It enhances productivity by enabling bots to perform tasks traditionally done by humans. Key features. Drag-and-drop interface for designing workflows. Integration with various applications and systems. Attended and unattended automation. Reporting and analytics on bot performance. Security and governance features to manage automation at scale. 2. Setting up Nintex RPA. Installation. Download and install the Nintex RPA software from the Nintex portal. Follow the installation guide to set up the RPA server, bot runners, and other necessary components. Licensing. Obtain the appropriate licenses for Nintex RPA. Depending on your needs, you may need licenses for bot creators, runners, and additional features like analytics. System requirements. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for Nintex RPA, including hardware, operating system, and software prerequisites. 3. Designing your first automation. Identify processes for automation. Start by identifying repetitive and rule-based tasks that are ideal for automation. Common examples include data entry, report generation, and email processing. Using the designer. The Nintex RPA Designer is a user-friendly interface where you can create automation workflows. Use the drag-and-drop tools to define actions like mouse clicks, data scraping, and file management. Testing and debugging. Before deploying your automation, thoroughly test it to ensure it works as expected. Use the built-in debugging tools to identify and fix any issues. 4. Deploying and managing bots. Bot deployment. Once your automation is ready, deploy bots to run the tasks. Bots can be deployed on individual machines or across multiple systems depending on the scale of automation. Nintex RPA Workflow Design and Development. Nintex RPA, Robotic Process Automation, offers a powerful platform for automating repetitive tasks and workflows. The process of designing and developing workflows in Nintex RPA involves several key stages, each critical for creating efficient and scalable automation solutions. 1. Understanding the process to be automated. Process mapping. Begin by thoroughly understanding the business process that needs automation. This involves mapping out each step of the process, identifying inputs, outputs, decision points, and potential exceptions. Stakeholder involvement. Engage with stakeholders to gather requirements, define the scope, and set clear expectations for the automation project. 2. Designing the workflow. Workflow blueprinting. Create a detailed blueprint of the workflow. This includes defining the sequence of activities, decision-making logic, error handling mechanisms, and integrations with other systems. User interface, UI, considerations. Design the UI interactions carefully if the workflow involves interacting with web or desktop applications. This includes identifying elements like buttons, text fields, and drop-downs. Reusable components. Identify and design reusable components within the workflow to promote efficiency and maintainability. This could include modules for logging in, data entry, or error handling. 3. Development and configuration. Building the workflow. Use Nintex RPA's drag-and-drop interface to build the workflow according to the blueprint. This involves configuring actions like data extraction, decision-making, and error handling. Scripting and custom actions. If necessary, develop custom scripts or actions using Nintex's scripting capabilities to handle complex logic or integrations. Error handling and validation. Implement robust error handling to ensure the workflow can manage exceptions gracefully. This includes setting up alerts, retries, and fallback procedures. 4. Testing and debugging. Unit testing. Test individual components of the workflow to ensure they work as expected. This helps in identifying issues early in the development process. End-to-end testing. Conduct comprehensive testing of the entire workflow, including edge cases and exception scenarios. Ensure the workflow performs consistently under different conditions. Debugging. Use Nintex RPA's debugging tools to troubleshoot and resolve any issues that arise during testing. 5. Deployment and integration. Environment configuration. Prepare the deployment environment, ensuring that all necessary integrations, permissions, and configurations are in place. Integration with external systems. Integrate the workflow with other systems, such as databases, ERP systems, or cloud services, to facilitate data exchange and automation. Security considerations. Ensure that the workflow complies with security best practices, including data encryption, secure authentication, and access controls. 6. Monitoring and optimization. Monitoring. Set up monitoring to track the performance of the deployed workflow. This includes logging key metrics like execution time, success rates, and error occurrences. Optimization. Continuously review and optimize the workflow to improve efficiency, reduce execution time, and handle larger volumes of work. This may involve refining logic, enhancing error handling, or scaling the infrastructure. Integrating Nintex RPA with existing systems. Integrating Nintex RPA with existing systems involves several key steps to ensure seamless automation, compatibility, and efficiency across various business processes. Below is an expanded overview of the process. 1. Understanding system architecture. Assessment of existing systems. Before integration, conduct a thorough assessment of your existing systems, including ERP, CRM, databases, and other legacy applications. Understanding their architecture, data flows, and integration points is critical. Identify integration points. Determine where Nintex RPA can interact with these systems, such as APIs, web services, or even screen scraping for older systems without modern interfaces. 2. Setting up Nintex RPA. Installation and configuration. Deploy Nintex RPA on your preferred environment, whether on-premises or cloud-based. Ensure the platform is configured correctly to interact with the necessary systems. Connector utilization. Utilize Nintex's pre-built connectors for common systems like Salesforce, SharePoint, and Microsoft Dynamics. For custom systems, you may need to develop custom connectors using Nintex's API capabilities. 3. Data integration and synchronization. Data mapping. Map data fields between Nintex RPA and your existing systems. This step ensures that the data Nintex RPA processes aligns correctly with the data structures of your other applications. Data transformation. Implement any necessary data transformation to ensure compatibility, especially when integrating with systems that have different data formats or requirements. 4. Automation process design. Workflow design. Design automation workflows within Nintex RPA to interact with your systems. This could include tasks like data extraction, form filling, data entry, and process monitoring. Error handling and logging. Incorporate robust error handling and logging mechanisms in your workflows to ensure any issues during integration are captured and can be addressed promptly. 5. Testing and validation. Unit testing. Test individual automation processes to ensure they interact correctly with each system. This step is critical for identifying any integration issues early. End-to-end testing. Conduct comprehensive testing of the entire automation process across all integrated systems. Validate that data flows, triggers, and actions work as expected. 6. Deployment and monitoring. Deployment strategy. Roll out the Nintex RPA integration in stages, starting with a pilot project to monitor performance and gather feedback before full-scale deployment. Real-time monitoring. Implement real-time monitoring tools to track the performance and status of your RPA bots and ensure they are functioning correctly. 7. Security and compliance. Access control. Ensure that Nintex RPA bots have the appropriate access rights and are compliant with your organization's security policies. Restrict access to sensitive data and systems as needed. Data security. Implement encryption, secure data transfer methods, and compliance with relevant data protection regulations such as GDPR or HIPAA. Why choose ProExcellency for Nintex RPA online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Nintex RPA online training could offer several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency is known for having knowledgeable instructors who are experienced in Nintex RPA and can provide practical insights into real-world applications. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs typically cover all aspects of Nintex RPA, from basic to advanced levels, ensuring that you gain a thorough understanding of the tool. Flexible learning. ProExcellency offers flexible online training schedules, allowing you to learn at your own pace, which is especially beneficial for working professionals. Hands-on practice. The training often includes hands-on exercises and projects, enabling you to apply the concepts learned in real-time scenarios, which is crucial for mastering RPA tools. Certification assistance. They may provide guidance and resources to help you prepare for Nintex RPA certification exams, which can enhance your career prospects. Support and resources. ProExcellency typically offers ongoing support even after the course completion, along with access to learning materials, recordings, and other resources. Industry-relevant training. Their courses are often updated to reflect the latest trends and practices in RPA, ensuring that you learn the most current and relevant skills. Thank you.